Hello students, welcome to our channel. My name is Professor Sabina Sheikh and we are solving English question paper of your board July 2023. So let's start. Students, we have already solved question number 1, 2, 3, 4, A, B, and now we are solving question number 4, C. And it is a question about your writing skills. In this question, you are supposed to use your skills, your expertise and answer the question. So over here, there are 3 topics which are given to you and you need to choose either one of them and answer the question. Okay. So let's start. Attempt any one of the following activities. So just remember one thing. Just read all the activities which are given in your question paper and understand that in which topic you will be able to write more. Then select that topic only. You are supposed to write approximately 100 to 150 words. And few words here and there will do, but try to write approximately 150 words. Okay, but choose the topic in which you are comfortable in writing. So let's start. Your first question is question number 1, that is speech. Okay, so read the question. Imagine you have taken part in elocution competition. Now elocution means the competition in which you stand on stage and you deliver a speech. Okay, you have selected the topic importance of science and technology. Draft a speech. Draft means you need to write a speech as of now about 150 words that you wish to deliver before the audience. Okay, you need to write a speech, prepare a speech, that speech which you would like to deliver before the audience. Okay, so let's start. Question number 4C1. Speech on importance of science and technology. Here we go. Good morning to all guests present here. I am delivering a speech on topic importance of science and technology. By now, we all are aware of that science and technology are an important part in our daily life. Important part of our daily life. Which means that we all are aware, हमें पता है कि science and technology हमारे रोज़मर्रा की ज़िंदगी में बहुत important है. We wake up in the morning with an alarm when our alarm clock goes off, and at night we turn off the lights and go to bed. Okay. Now see, over here we are using electricity, we are using air conditioner, fan, everything related to electricity properly. Why? Because of science and technology. We are able to use different things because of different things like your television, now your OTT platform. All these things are possible. Why? Because of technology. When you go to a remote village, it's very difficult for us to find electricity there. But yes, because of science and technology, now even villages are getting developed. Why? With the help of science and technology. All these luxuries we can afford. ठीक है, luxuries means बेसिक से ज़्यादा जो चीज़ें होती हैं. अफोर्ड मतलब हम खरीद पाते हैं. वी हैव गॉट एन कैपेबिलिटी टू बाय आर बिकॉज ऑफ टेक्नोलॉजी. ड्यू टू साइंस एंड टेक्नोलॉजी वी हैव बिकम मॉडर्न. ओके, now try to write in paragraphs. 21st century is a century of science and technology. Today we do all our personal and professional work with the help of science and technology. We cannot imagine growth of our country without science and technology. Definitely without science and technology we will not be able to grow as a country. So it is very important. We all know the value of science and technology in our daily lives. Student, when you see now we have seen our traffic are we are trying, our government is trying to reduce traffic. How? You can see there are metro work going on to reduce the traffic. We have our bridges. Okay, we have Worli ceiling. All these things are why? Because it's possible because of technology. Various invention and innovation. When we talk about invention and innovation, see, Worli ceiling is an innovation. Your different routes, which are created by our governments, is an innovation. Have made our everyday life easy, simple, and stress-free. On the other hand, technology has taught us the modern way of living. Last paragraph. Science and technology has changed our lives completely. We have become so dependent on them that life seems difficult without the same. Now you imagine, can you sit a minute also without fan? Most of us cannot. So this is nothing but this is a dependency on technology. Okay, human development is profited greatly because of science and technology, and we must be thankful for the same. As a humankind, as a human being, we are developed. Okay, our infrastructure is developed, everything is in a professional way we are developing. Why? Because of science and technology. So it is a moral duty to be thankful for the same. Okay, this is what I have written. You can write in your own language also, there is no issue. You can write in your own language also, but you need to write at least 150 words you need to write. Okay, now let's go to question number 4C. What the question says: comparing. Comparing means giving, it means addressing the audience. What are you doing? See, when you have your annual day, you have got one or two people, on the podium speaking about the event of the. They are dictating. They are discussing with you. They are telling you about the event, about the flow of the event. They are introducing the guests. So all this thing is nothing but this is called comparing. Okay, they are before you, they are before the stage to make the audience understand what is going on the stage and what is going in the program. Okay, so that is comparing. Imagine, in other word, you can say it as hosting. Okay, program hosting also. Imagine you are given an opportunity to compare program World Environment Day in your college. As a compare, draft the whole program script, deciding the flow of the overall program. You may take help of the given points: prayer, welcome, introduction, felicitations, speakers, participation, presidential address, and vote of thanks. ठीक है? So you're hosting a program, okay? And what are you doing? The event name is World Environment Day, and you need to draft the I told you, the host, the comparer always tells the audience about the flow of the overall programs. Okay, so see, the comparer will not just go on the stage and start speaking. There is a lot of practice, there is a lot of preparation, planning, and proper preparation of the event that is required. So what happened? The comparer does all the things. Okay, so over here you are given a set of things which you need to speak as a comparer. First is prayer, then welcoming. Felicitation means the guests who are there in your program, you will welcome them. Okay, speakers participation, the guest will speak. Presidential address and vote of thanks. So let's start. Question number 4C, second. Program script for World Environment Day. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen. A warm welcome to our special event on this World Environment Day. We are gathered here today to celebrate and discuss the importance of our environment. Let's start by welcoming our guests and participants. Okay, so this is how the comparer will welcome the guest. First in our list is what? Prayer. Today is 5th June. Let's start today's function with a prayer and light the lamp for blessing. This is how you start the program. Second point which is given is welcoming the audience. Now the comparer will say like this: I welcome our respected teachers, our dear students, and our esteemed guests. Thank you for joining us on this occasion. Now let me give a brief introduction about the significance of World Environment Day. It is a day dedicated to raising awareness and taking action to protect our planet. Students, you are all aware what is happening in our environment. So this World Environment Day, there is a program. Now the comparer wants you all to understand what is, as a comparer you will make audience understand why World Environment Day is important. So it is, why it is important, because it's a day that dedicate on raising awareness. मतलब awareness बढ़ाने के लिए है और action लेना है, अच्छी environment को बनाने के लिए काम करना है, जिससे अपना through which we will protect our planet. Today we have the privilege of having some incredible individuals amongst us. अगर आपको ये डिफ़िकल्ट लगता है तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं? टुडे वी हैव आर वेरी स्पेशल गेस्ट विथ अस, ऐसा आप लिख सकते हो. ठीक है. नाउ फेलिसिटेशन, ये बोलने के बाद व्हाट द कंपेयर विल डू, ही विल वेलकम द गेस्ट ऑन द stage or wherever the program is happening. We will begin by honoring those who have shown exceptional commitment to environmental preservation in our college. Now, this is not college, this is your. Yes, you can college also, you can write, no problem. College, you can write. Okay. So, now when we talk about felicitation students, over here the guests who are arrived and for the program, you're going to honor those guests. And why the normally in program जो स्पेशलाइज पीपल होते हैं उन्हीं को बुलाया जाता है, ठीक है. तो एक्सेप्शनल कमिटमेंट मतलब क्या, ये जो गेस्ट आए हैं जिनको हम फेलिसिटेट कर रहे हैं उनका एनवायरनमेंट के साथ बहुत ही पुराना लगाव है, उन्होंने बहुत काम किया है, ठीक है. सो अगर आपको आप डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तो आप क्या लिख सकते हैं, वी विल बिगिन बाय ऑनरिंग आवर गेस्ट who have done a lot of hard work for our environment. ठीक है, you can write this thing also, that we will begin the program by honoring our special guests who have done a lot of work for our environment. आप ये भी लिख सकते हो, no problem. ठीक है. Present award or certificate to deserving individual. Let us hear some of our fellow student and expert who will share their thoughts and ideas on प्रिजर्विंग द एनवायरनमेंट. प्रिजर्व करना मतलब क्या, संभाल के रखना, ठीक है. हम बहुत सारी चीज़ें संभाल के रखते हैं, प्रिजर्व करके रखते हैं ना. घर में जब अचार बनता है स्टूडेंट, व्हेन योर मॉम मेक्स पिकल्स, वो क्या करते हैं, पिकल्स में बहुत सारा ऑयल डालेंगे, बहुत सारा डिफरेंट मसाले डालेंगे, सॉल्ट डालेंगे. क्यों डालेंगे, वाई, बिकॉज दे वांट टू प्रिजर्व दैट पिकल फॉर अ लॉन्गर टाइम. Same goes with our environment also. If you want to preserve our environment, so what we are supposed to do, we are supposed to do plantation, we are supposed to use less vehicles, we are supposed to walk down more. So this is also a small step on preserving our environment. Preserve करना मतलब खराब होने से बचाना, ठीक है. जब हम अपने घर में मसालों को ख़राब होने से बचाने के लिए we add a lot of things, we add oil, we add salt, etc. So imagine what is happening to our environment. We are supposed to preserve our environment as well. And to preserve our environment, there are a lot of ways. We can plant different trees. We can, use less vehicle, as I told you earlier. We can walk down, and even we can use less amount of electricity also. Okay. Now next point is speakers participation. Our first speaker today is Mr. ABC. You can write the name also. A passionate environmentalist, जो environment के लिए बहुत काम करते हैं उन्हें कहते हैं environmentalist. Who will speak few words on the challenges or our environment faces and how we can contribute to its well-being. मतलब हमारे environment में क्या क्या challenges हैं और हम उसे सही करने के लिए, वेल बीइंग मतलब अच्छा रखने के लिए क्या कंट्रीब्यूट अपने तरफ से क्या आप कंट्रीब्यूट कर सकते हो, ठीक है. देन थैंक यू मिस्टर ABC फॉर योर इंस्पायरिंग वर्ड. आप इंस्पायरिंग की जगह आपको अगर टफ लगे तो आप लिख सकते हैं थैंक यू मिस्टर ABC फॉर योर वंडरफुल वर्ड्स, फॉर योर अमेजिंग वर्ड्स, फॉर योर वाइज वर्ड्स. ओके. नाउ लेट्स इनवाइट आवर नेक्स्ट स्पीकर मिस्टर X. यू कैन राइट नेम ऑल्सो. एन एक्सपर्ट in sustainable living. Now sustainable means what? Sustainable means ज़्यादा लंबा चलने वाला, ठीक है. अभी हमारे if there is a bridge that is built in near your society road, okay, so that bridge you should be able to make use of it. Your children should be able to make a use of it. दैट मीन्स वो ब्रिज जो है वो सस्टेनेबल होना चाहिए, मतलब आपके आने वाली जनरेशन भी वो यूज़ करना चाहिए. सिमिलरली आर एनवायरनमेंट, वॉट एवर वी आर डूइंग फॉर द एनवायरनमेंट, दैट थिंग ऑल्सो शुड बी यूज फॉर लॉन्ग एंड लॉन्ग टाइम. दैट इज सस्टेनेबल विच इज़ देयर फॉर अ लॉन्गर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम, ठीक है, बहुत टाइम तक जो चलता है. दैट इज सस्टेनेबल लिविंग. ऐसी चीज़ें करनी जो आने वाले पुश्तों को भी, आने वाले अपनी पीढ़ी को भी, आने वाले जनरेशन को भी शुड बी बेनिफिशियल फॉर देम. Who will share practical tips on how we can make a positive impact on the environment in our daily lives. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. हमारे 4 points हो गए. Now next is your, you can write here speaker delivers a brief speech. Thank you Mr. X for those valuable insights. आप comparer or आप host हो, so you need to thank whoever is coming on the stage and giving your speech. Over here also valuable insight, tough लग रहा तो आप लिख सकते हैं thank you for your valuable words, thank you for your amazing words, etc. Okay. It is now an honor to introduce our college principal. You can write principal name or you can just write Mr. YX, whatever. फॉर देयर प्रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस. ओके, अपने क्वेश्चन में दिया है प्रेसिडेंशियल एड्रेस. प्रिंसिपल डिलीवर्स अ स्पीच एम्फसाइजिंग, मतलब जोर डालना, ऑन द इम्पोर्टेंस ऑफ वर्ल्ड एनवायरनमेंट डे एंड कॉलेज कमिटमेंट टू एनवायरमेंटल कंजर्वेशन, मतलब कंजर्व करना, संभालना, ध्यान देना. ठीक है. देन एज अ कंपेयर यू विल थैंक, whom you will thank now? Definitely your principal. Thank you principal's name for your encouraging words. As we come to an end of our program, let's express our gratitude to all those who have made this event possible. ये हो गया आपका, आप ग्रेटफुल हो. ठीक है, आप क्या कर रहे हैं? एज अ कंपेयर यू आर यूजिंग दीज वर्ड्स. ठीक है. नाउ लास्ट इज योर वोट ऑफ थैंक्स. I would like to extend a heartfelt thank you on our esteemed speakers, teachers, students, and our wonderful audience for being part of this celebration. Let us remember that the actions we take today can shape our better tomorrow for our environment. Today, we make a positive impact. Thank you and have a wonderful World Environment Day. Okay, this is how you will end your compare. Okay. So this is how your 3 questions are solved. 2 questions are solved. Now question number 4C. Let's understand what is the question first. Expansion of idea. Now students, what is expansion of idea? Expansion का मतलब क्या है? आपको अपने आइडिया को एलाबोरेट करना है. ठीक है. अभी अपना कुछ भी आइडिया नहीं लगाना है आपको. यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट इज गिवन इन द क्वेश्चन पेपर. ओके. So listen here. Expand the following idea with the help of points given below, 100 to 150 words. Now this is your topic. Action speaks louder than words. Okay. मतलब क्या, आपके जो actions है वो आपके बोल से ज़्यादा strong होता है, ज़्यादा बात करता है. ठीक है. So and what you are supposed to do, ये आप समझ गए, आपको इस पर बोलना है, लिखना है. बट यू नीड टू अंडरस्टैंड दिस 3, मतलब आपको 3 चीज़ों को इंक्लूड करना है. What are the 3 things? Focus on actions. Words are useless when there is no action. आप कहते हैं ना, आज से पढ़ाई करूँगा, from tomorrow I'll start studying, from now this is October I'll start studying from November, I will start studying from December. तो ये जो होते हैं ना आपके actions, जब तक आप ये बोलते रहेंगे ना, it will not matter until and unless you started today itself. ठीक है. And then action leads to success or results. Okay. So let's see. The saying, action speaks louder than words, emphasizes the significance of one's action over a verbal expression, meaning that whatever your action is there, that will speak louder than your words. ठीक है. Louder than your verbal words. In simpler terms, it explains that what people do is more important and impactful than what they say. ठीक है. Now you have decided that now this is October month. You have decided that you will start studying from November. Now, until and unless you start studying, nobody will know whatever you have said is right or wrong. Okay, whatever you have spoken, are you able to adhere to the words spoken by you? Okay. If you tell me that I'll start studying from tomorrow, and what if your tomorrow never comes only then? So if I see you, if you tell your mom that, okay mom, I'll start studying from tomorrow, and from tomorrow if your mom sees you or understand that yes, this boy or girl is studying, that means that you have kept to your commitment. That means whatever words you have spoken, you are adhering to your words. That means the action is performed by you. ठीक है. सिंपली वर्ड में आप जो कहते हैं आप वो कर रहे हो. ठीक है. तो आपके एक्शंस जो होते हैं वो आपके वर्ड जो आपके निकलते हैं उससे ज़्यादा इम्पैक्टफुल होता है. वर्ड्स कैन बी एम्प्टी विदाउट करस्पॉन्डिंग एक्शन टू सपोर्ट देम. आप सिंपली लिख सकते हो, वर्ड्स कैन बी एम्प्टी इफ वी डोंट परफॉर्म द एक्शंस टू सपोर्ट देम. इट्स ईजी टू मेक प्रोमिसेस or speak of intentions, but these words hold no value if they aren't backed by tangible efforts. Tangible मतलब क्या? Tangible मतलब जो दिखता है. ठीक है. जो हमें दिखता है वो tangible होता है. ठीक है. आपके actions तभी पूरे होंगे जब वो दिखेंगे आप करते हुए, आपके वर्ड्स पूरे करते हुए आप दिखोगे, तभी वी विल बी एबल टू अंडरस्टैंड दैट येस यू आर, योर एक्शंस आर बिगर देन योर वर्ड्स. Whether it is whether it is in personal relationship, work or any aspect of life, real progress and change come from taking concrete steps. अगर ये डिफिकल्ट लग रहा है तो आप ये बोल सकते हैं फ्रॉम टेकिंग स्ट्रॉन्ग स्टेप्स. ठीक है, कॉन्क्रीट मतलब सख्त स्टेप. ठीक है, डिफिकल्ट चीज़ें भी आप इजीली कर सकते हैं जब आप मजबूत कदम रखते हैं. ठीक है. In practical terms, actions are the driving force behind success and result. Action means it is a driving force. आप वो एक मजबूत चीज़ होती है जो आपके सक्सेस होने के पीछे होता है. ओके. It is the effort, determination and commitment put into something that brings about achievement. Someone can talk about their goals endlessly. हम अपने goals, अपने लक्ष्य के बारे में बोल सकते हैं, but it is their consistent मतलब continuous actions that lead to the desired outcome. मतलब आपको वो एक्शन, आप बोल सकते हो कि मुझे ये बनना है, मुझे वो बनना है. आपको जो भी चीज़ बननी है उसके लिए आपको काम करना पड़ेगा. सिंपल कंसिस्टेंटली काम करना पड़ेगा. आप कोई भी चीज़ के पीछे अगर कंसिस्टेंट होते हो ना स्टूडेंट, दैट मीन्स आप ऐसे कि आपका बोर्ड एग्जाम है, आपने आज पढ़ा और आप 2 महीने के लिए छोड़ दिए पढ़ाई, तो नहीं होगा ना. आपको कंसिस्टेंटली थोड़ा दिन भर पढ़ना है, मतलब थ्रू आउट द वीक, थ्रू आउट द मंथ, थ्रू आउट द एंटायर ईयर पढ़ना होगा कंसिस्टेंटली. देन ओनली आप जो चाहते हैं वो पूरा होगा. इन समरी, द सेइंग रिमाइंड्स अस दैट टॉक इज चीप. It is our deeds that truly define us and determine our path to success and results. Similarly, simple आप summary में अगर आप चाहते हो ये भी लिख सकते हो कि it reminds us that talking is cheap, but when we, instead of talking, when we start doing things, that is our path, that is our way to success and results. Okay, now we are in the next lecture we will be doing question number 4D. Okay, so for now, thank you so much for being with me. Thank you.